Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri and we are checking out 2016 Lexus RX 350. Let's take a walk around the vehicle, and it is a fresh arrival to our inventory. Impeccable condition of the exterior, and you'll see interior as well. Minimal to no imperfections on the body panels, and interior is close to new condition. We installed new tires. We installed new brakes in the rear, 100% material left, they're brand new, and 80% material on the front brakes, so almost new brakes in the front. Again, if we look at all the body panels, they're perfectly straight, no chips, no dents, minimal to no imperfections on the front of the vehicle. And the original MSRP of this one was almost $50,000, and it includes about or close to $5,000 in factory options. We also, for the pre-sale work, we put close to $2,000 in new tires, brakes, cosmetic improvements, maintenance, and detailing. The condition of the interior is simply impeccable. No unusual smells. Actually smells fresh, smells new. You can see it comes with the winter floor mat, standard floor mat. We have winter floor mats here. We have cargo divider right here. Let's take a peek in the, it comes with obviously new tire. We have some tools here. The vehicle also has all original factory paint, which is verified by the paint meter tool that we have. And it drives, I just drove it just quickly on Route 111, and it feels like a new vehicle. Drives very, very nice. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. Wow, check this out. Yeah, all original body panels, of course, all original paint. So you know you're buying factory, Lexus factory quality, and not a quality of some body shop that repaired the vehicle. CarFax is great, and by the way, it's clean CarFax for this car, but there are a lot of cars that have clean CarFax, and yet they have previous paint and body work. We also, looks like we have two keys. See the letter digit 2. We have two keys for the vehicle. As I said, it has beautiful interior, nice options. The wear and tear is minimal. As you can see, the seat bolsters are in impeccable condition. Very comfortable seats. The dashboard looks beautiful. All the switches around the vehicle, door switches, center console, it is close to new condition. The mileage, let's get the accurate mileage, is, let's get the miles. $69,091 miles. This vehicle had two owners. First owner had it only for 1 year, put about 16 or 17,000 miles. And the second owner drove the rest of the mileage. Again, the condition of this car is simply amazing. The back seats are like brand new. All the headrests are there. The headliner is in great condition. The armrest is like new. The center console, dash, and all the typical areas that we look at on pre-owned cars. They're in amazing condition. No gouges anywhere on the door. Looks very, very nice. Carpets are beautiful. We have the engine running now. It's got nice sound from the exhaust, and it drives very, very nice. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 978 263-9000. And you can always find more details on our website, AlphaCars.com, ALPHACARS.com. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and please stay tuned for more. Subscribe to our channel, and let us know when you like our videos. Just click that little button.